Hey, good morning, everybody. Having a little technical difficulties this morning. Sorry I'm a little bit late there. Let's get to it. Hello.
Good morning, Dave. How you doing today?
Pretty good. How are you doing?
All right. How was your overnight session?
Yeah, not bad. Made some wins. Got some subscribers.
Of course you did.
And
Of course you did.
one of the highest days so far. I think I had like 160 viewers over the time and 25 likes and about 12 subscribers. So yeah, it was a good day.
Good deal. Good deal.
Yeah. A few
Anything
minutes
big?
behind schedule this morning, but
Yeah, me too.
seems like we're still within the, opening range, so it doesn't really matter anyways.
Yeah, I've been up since about 4:30 this morning. Barely slept last night. Was just kind of. So today is going to be a nice slow day for me. Kind of like every day.
Coffee pot's ready.
I have no idea what that beeping is, but
my coffee pot.
Oh, that was you?
Yeah.
Oh, it sounded like it was coming from the outside of this gate here. The speakers on my laptop are loud.
All right. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
All right. So it looks like we got 5 viewers, and they are all in Randy's X channel.
Of course they are. Because it's Randy. Everybody loves a Randy.
Pretty bullish out of the gate here. We sold off pretty hard, looks like. Hey,
Yeah,
thought about leaving a short on last night.
I had a gold short on free market.
Oh yeah.
And I wished I would have put a little more size on it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so you got in that drop there too, sort of on pre-market. Hey, nice.
I did. I got out of it.
Anyone who didn't get out
at about 850. What was that?
I said anyone who didn't get out of it is hurting right now.
Oh yeah, jeez.
Well, I mean, it kind of almost recovered the majority of that move. It's since then turned a bit, but still, could have been hurt. Let's take a look at the MES here. Get it on the book.
We are under the weekly VWAP on gold. It poked up above it for a little bit, wicked above it, but it's starting to come back down a little now.
Yeah, that was 14th.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we sort of rejected off the overnight VWAP just right there on that pull up there.
The overnight high was 4108.
Licensing reimagined.
Yes, it's starting to come down a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a wait and see. I'm not going to be doing anything excessively stupid today. I hope. I hope. I can't promise anything, but
Artlist.io.
Prop firm match. Let's get this going.
What was that?
I'm gonna get prop firm match going here on the side.
Is prop firm match your side chick?
Yeah. I'm gonna grab a coffee real quick.
Do it. You're gonna need it today.
Yes.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Oh, kind of holding that now. Holding up here.
I think a gold might start going on a rise.
Oh, he's got Luna on prop firm match today. You know who Luna is? Yeah.
Nope.
He's another streamer. I think they've had him on. I think Austin interviewed him before. I guess he made a bunch of money on crypto.
Okay.
A bunch at some point.
A bunch.
Yeah. And then he turned in. You know, everyone. You gotta have your success story.
Still waiting for mine.
Haven't you been interviewed by Austin yet, or no?
No.
Huh. Surprised? I'm sure you're on his list.
I don't know. Maybe.
Music licensing reimagined.
I would think so.
What was that?
I said I would think so. I'm sure you're like the person that copy trades the most amount of accounts that he's ever known.
I don't know, but I would. I'd probably put some money on that.
Yeah. I don't think there's many.
That is the secret to my success. It's not being a good trader. It's just knowing how to play this game.
Well,
knowing how to scale.
I mean, most people lose accounts regardless, man. So,
oh, yeah.
if you're getting payouts at all, you're doing better than 95% of the rest of the traders.
That's
I think you're.
I don't even know how I feel about that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that's one of those things where it's like if you're doing this and you're not getting payouts, take a step back, relax a little bit, stop being in such a rush to get your payout. And
yeah,
so I think that's a lot of what it is people are just in a rush to make money.
Yeah, especially after they lose it, right? There's such a rush to get it back. I mean, I've fallen into that too. So,
we all have. It's I don't know anyone who hasn't had a red day that they tilted on and then ending up digging that hole deeper and deeper and deeper and blowing an account.
Yeah,
I've done it more than once. Shit, I've blown accounts just fat fingering minis instead of micros.
Yeah. I'm not seeing a whole lot of orders above, but we're looking pretty bullish. I mean, we see 67.70 above with a little bit, but like other than that, like nothing's really lighting up on the book for me, anyways. I mean, we have like 60 orders at 90 and 6,800, like 60 orders, but 68.10, but like it's not showing any color on my book.
Did you switch it over to a grayscale on your book map?
No, I just mean like, there's nothing lighting up on those.
Yeah, no.
They're pretty dark. And I see like a whole cluster down at 40, 67, 47, 67, 45.
Music licensing reimagined.
But we're looking bullish.
Let's hope this bullish trend continues.
15-minute. We formed a pretty crazy bullish fair value gap, like out of the gate here. Obviously, first 15 minutes are pretty up the whole time.
Artlist.io.
That's a nice little bullish fair value gap. It's kind of almost the same on the 5-minute. Not quite, but
Music licensing reimagined.
so we're just coming up on that point of control right now, and it's also lining up with the 200 EMA. So this could be some resistance up here where we are currently on this ES.
On gold, we're above the weekly VWAP. We're hitting the 200 EMA. It just keeps bouncing off it and coming down right now.
Are you eyeballing? You kind of leaning towards gold a bit today?
Well, I'm on my personal account, so
yeah, we hit that overnight view up on gold, and that is a bearish fair value gap in gold from the start of the sell-off, I guess. That was it was like 8:20 a.m. bearish candle there. So 40.80 up to 40.83, kind of lining up with the overnight view up and Friday's view up. We do have those levels, and we're trading below value area low. So I mean, quite often when we're below value area low, we actually are going to be bearish.
Artlist.io.
Could head down to the 4,020.
I actually have a limit order in at 39.90.
Oh, nice, yeah.
If it gets down there, I'm going to just buy it and hold it for however long I need to.
Nice.
It's only 2 micro. It's only a 2 micro order, so it's not anything huge. But it's there. It's there and waiting.
For not having many orders above, it looks like they really want to take it there. Right on the 200 EMA right now on ES.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, my overnight short on gold was
Artlist.io.
I put in 1 micro, and I held it for a little while. And when I stepped away, came back and looked at it and went, "This is where I should have thrown on a mini."
Oh yeah, shoot.
It always works out that way too.
Yeah.
I throw on a mini, it goes against me. I throw on a micro,
Yeah.
it goes in my direction with speed and accuracy.
Yeah. The book's not really helping us out today.
Not even a little bit. I got
Artlist.io.
I got nothing. I've had my book map open now for, I haven't turned it off since last Thursday or Wednesday. The CVD is at 2,800 on mine. Should probably reset this.
Reimagined.
I think mine automatically resets at 6:30.
Does it?
I think I said it like that. Although I did start it a little bit late, but or it was going, but my computer was shut down, so it didn't really record anything.
Gotcha.
So it started at sort of like
Artlist.io.
6 or 9:33 at 0. So it's pretty close. And mine shows 1800, 1850.
Artlist.io.
I am tempted to throw a long on ES right now.
I know. It's just like I
Not
said.
going to. It's sitting up here, but it is tempting.
Mm-hmm.
Music licensing reimagined.
Help me be patient here, Dave.
Yeah. Well, I'm feeling like I should be putting the long on too.
Well, maybe we're on to something.
I just, like I said, I guess they put some more orders on there at 67.75 now, but that's really like 2 points away.
That's what, yeah.
So
Artlist.io.
So great, 2 points.
big home run. Gonna have to go with max position size. 2 points. There we go. $20.
Oh shit, it's around 10 minis.
What is this? Austin? Is that Austin? Yeah, it looks like Austin's account. He's short, and it's
Really?
going against him right now. So he's talking about football. Did you get to see? I guess we had the Grey Cup yesterday.
Had the what?
Grey Cup, Canadian
Grey
Football
Cup.
Championship.
Oh, great.
And it was between Saskatchewan and Montreal. Hey, Daniel and Luke. Good morning, guys. How you doing?
Artlist.io.
So I did not see that.
Yeah. Well, our Canadian, I think our top paying Canadian football player gets like $350,000 a year. So it's like, you can tell not a whole lot of popularity.
Now, is it American style football or is it European football?
Yeah, it's American. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a little bit different. I think the ball's slightly bigger. I think the fields are slightly bigger.
Music licensing reimagined.
I know that they did change a few of those things, but Luke has one contract in Russell right now. Luke's been trading Russell lately. Obviously, you're going long, hey Luke? Russell's looking pretty good.
ES is looking good for longs. Russell's looking good for longs.
Do we have news today? I never even looked at that yet.
Artlist.io.
Oh lordy.
Canadian CPI, not really important. U.S. construction spending month over month. So nothing really. That's 7 a.m. or 10 a.m. Looks like a couple feds are talking right now.
Music
Fed Jefferson, is it
reimagined.
too soon to say? Is it too soon to say what the next effect of AI will be on the labor short term? The impact on AI productivity will matter a lot to monetary policy, and the impact of AI on productivity. Okay, that's the same. Sometimes they put the same.
All right, I'm just going to throw 3 micros on this long on
Artlist.io.
ES right now. Hold this for a little while and see what it does.
Yeah.
I'm liking the way it looks. It's over the weekly VWAP.
Artlist.io.
Everything's starting to line up right now for longs. So I'm taking it.
Mm-hmm. I just got in with one there. Also, if we get a little bit more of a pullback here, I'm probably going to add up to 3 points or 3 contracts similar. This is my I'm doing this in my Lucid copy trading accounts here. So
Oh, these are all your funded accounts too, aren't they?
I only have one funded account there. They're all test accounts. 5 test accounts and 1 funded. So, but still, I'm getting so close to passing these guys. I got to be pretty conservative with them here.
Yeah, don't get crazy with them.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nvidia earnings, you think, is today? That's what Luke said.
Luke it's the 17th. Luke is correct. It's today after market close.
Artlist.io.
Did you hear about the whole Project X situation?
Yep, I did.
That's pretty crazy, eh?
Artlist.io.
I mean, all right.
They're just like yanking it from everybody, you know?
It's going to be top step only and good riddance.
I mean, I'll be okay with it, right? But it's just kind of like, I just don't understand how they can do that, you know? Like, they give everybody this option and then everybody gets on board. I think it's just kind of like prop firm antics, man. You know, like just sort of
absolutely
giving the other prop firms a hard time. Now they got to shuffle and change and causes people headaches.
And for those people that actually like trading Project X, I mean,
force them to go over to Project or top.
Yeah. You got to learn. You got to get used to a new platform and all that other. Yeah, it's stupid.
Yeah. So I don't know. Obviously, I didn't see. This is what I was saying yesterday. See the contracts that they signed, but must have been something in there saying that like we've reserved the right to withdraw Project X.
Yeah.
We got to be able to use it or something, right?
Excuse me. Yeah, there's something fishy going on.
I mean, it could also just be like how they've taken on too much, and that's why we're getting these like weird candles and data problems and whatever, right? So I was thinking it could have something to do with that too. Remember how like a couple days, like last week or something, we had those. I was like complaining about those 2 candles that were like 30 points higher.
And then when I pulled open the Top One Futures account, their Project X platform, yeah, it was the same thing. I had these weird candles that were nowhere near where they were supposed to be. It looked like there was a 30-point gap up, but there wasn't. It's just ridiculous.
So it could have been that they also stretched out too many places, right? And since they're getting troubles, they're like, well, we're gonna yank it and just keep. But you think they would just be able to scale it up somehow? Maybe their servers or their data feed would be better or something, you know? Like, but
you are asking the wrong person about that. I have no idea.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Well, we've been doing a whole lot of nothing here for the last 2 candles.
Yeah, I took a long, and I am just sitting here waiting for this to make a decision on where it's going to go.
Music licensing reimagined.
Might get a slight pullback here.
Hey Dave, I said I'm in a long.
I know, I'm long too.
Yeah, so shut your pretty whore mouth.
I'm just
talking about pullbacks.
Just saying what I see here.
Hey.
Oh, there's our Twitch guy.
Hey, look at you.
Twin grid iron Izui 7 on 67 DBBB.
BB.
Say that 5 times fast.
No, thank you.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm just cutting out of this. I'm taking my $40 loss and calling it a day.
Oh, great. I just got my second order added in there right as you said that.
Yeah. We'll see if it bounces off this VWAP.
Music
Yeah.
licensing
That's where my
reimagined.
third order is, so I just got that right now.
Yeah, just blew through the weekly, so I'm not move it to session. Yeah, it just went down under the session too, so
Yeah, I'm down
Not looking-
66 right now. Come on, VWAP, let's hold.
Artlist.io.
Orders at 55. Are they just going to plow through those two? Uh-oh.
So yeah, Project X informed us that they will discontinue support for all third-party prop firms effective February 28th, 2026.
Mm-hmm. I'm in a little bit of trouble in this trade here, actually. No,
Well,
I do have this bullish fair value gap still here. Hopefully, we're just going to find some support in the middle of this gap. But my stop is just below the gap. They're risking 13 points though on 3 contracts. So
Artlist.io.
I don't know how I always get myself in this situation in New York Open.
yeah, you seem to do really well in the overnight, and then New York, is it just because there's so much more movement?
I guess so. Yeah.
Because you read it really well. I think your timing is just off today.
Yeah, and maybe I'm still sort of always waking up a bit too.
You need to wake up earlier.
Music licensing
Which makes me slower.
reimagined.
Yeah, I should.
Also-
But the problem
I'll
is I
just
don't get early enough.
I'll just start calling you when I wake up.
I really had to try to get to bed earlier. So we did bounce a little bit nicely out of that fair value gap, but looking like we're kind of getting a little bit of resistance at the New York VWAP now.
Artlist.io.
I'll be a little aggressive here. If we get a little bit of a pop here, I'll probably get my stop in there up by near
Music
break even.
licensing reimagined.
But I do like the hold of that fair value gap. We just need to take out this VWAP now.
Artlist.io.
It would be nice for us to just erase that last bearish candle with this current 5
Yeah,
minute.
that would be nice. Let's see if it happens.
Yes.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh.
Music licensing reimagined.
This NQ is looking so heavy right now. Probably should have cut it there on that up near the VWAP.
Artlist.io.
You can always cut it now.
It's just hard for me to cut it in this fair value gap. 'Cause this is kind of like the area. But yes,
Music
currently down
licensing
150.
reimagined.
Well, it looks like I'm probably going to get stopped here. Looking around like a 220 loser.
Artlist.io.
Not the end of the world, but that
It's not
sucks
the
because
worst loss.
it's lost 6 accounts though, so that's too bad.
Artlist.io.
Definitely not the worst loss I've seen
Yeah.
or taken this month.
Music licensing reimagined.
Maybe we'll reach down and touch Randy's 666 again today,
Yeah.
because this is not looking good.
No. Austin's short is looking real good right now.
Yeah,
Artlist.
I don't know what he saw there. I guess because we've been so bullish or so bearish in the open, right? Or from pre-market.
from overnight. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
Okay. I gotta try to not marry longs here. Because I just keep thinking like, well, I can
Music
go long
licensing
again
reimagined.
if we yeah.
I wouldn't do it.
Nope. Just gotta think that part through.
Don't do it, Dave.
Man, that sucks.
Artlist.io.
Should almost take a. So this is an inverted fair value gap now. So we could look at
Artlist.io.
taking a short actually in this if we get a little bounce here. Because we did take the New York pretty nicely there, and then we rejected off of it also, right? Don't want to rush into this one though.
Licensing reimagined.
Don't be in a rush. We have all day, all week, the rest of the month.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna take I did take a single short here, a single contract. If we get much of a break above the New York VWAP here, I'm definitely gonna cut this pretty quick though.
Keep your finger over
Music
that
licensing reimagined.
that buy button.
Just be nice to reject this fair value gap plus VWAP there. But this might be a chop day, so maybe it's not gonna be good.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Change up this music bit here.
Artlist.io.
Getting tempted to go into another gold short on my personal account. This
Music
is
licensing reimagined.
not looking healthy.
So we got 45 seconds here on this candle. If this closes up here, I'm probably just gonna have to cut it right away because that's a pretty bullish close here. I mean, I'm slightly $8 in the money right now, but $25 seconds here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Level are we at here? This is sort of Friday's VWAP also. New York and Friday's VWAP.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sweating here a little bit.
I think we have the most boring job in the world until it's not boring, and then it gets really exciting for like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Don't do it. Where did those sellers go, man?
Music licensing reimagined.
Little bugger, man. Now it's gonna go up, eh?
Artlist.io.
Dow's looking pretty strong right now. NQ's pulling back. I don't like that the Dow's looking strong.
Licensing reimagined.
It's not good news for your short.
No. But NQ can't seem to make any ground either. Obviously, that weighs a little heavier on ES than the Dow.
Artlist.io.
I added one there. I got my TP down at 746.
Music licensing
Might even
reimagined.
give it a little 747.
Artlist.io.
And no continuation though so far. Mornings are.
Not giving
was a
us
wild 30
break
minutes.
today.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Ooh, edged my order there. You bugger. Come on. A couple more points. I think I need 1 point. There we go. I'm out of one contract of my two. I'm putting my stop on break even on the second one. See if we can't rip through this fair value gap, invert it. That'd be beautiful.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
They didn't quite invert that fair value gap, but that's okay. Doesn't mean we're not going to on the next candle here. So hopefully the buyers don't step in here at this level though.
Artlist.io.
Hope we don't bounce here. Probably hit my stop. Looking like it might. Yeah. Pretty close to it now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Some up and down and up and down here.
Artlist.io.
Well, I survived that pullback by point and one and a quarter points.
Music licensing reimagined.
See if we can't get some little more push. Oh, your mic's muted if you were talking.
Well, now I feel like a big old dummy.
I was wondering, you were pretty quiet there for a while.
I'm sitting here just jibber jabbering away at you, talking about your stop loss, and closed out my gold trade, and
Oh, nice.
now I just feel like a big old dummy.
Artlist.io.
I had to mute my mic. There's construction trucks going up the road here, and every
Yeah.
time they pass by, I just hit
Oh, I'm out
the
now.
mute on my. Oh, it ate you up.
Yeah, it bounced up pretty hard there.
Boo.
So I'm
Music
down
licensing
178 now, so I
reimagined.
recovered $50 basically on that trade. Not enough though. Not enough.
We're
Artlist.io.
still early.
So that 5-minute bullish fair value gap held pretty good there. A couple times now. 1, 2, this is the third candle that would be potentially holding it.
Music licensing reimagined.
I should have been patient. That's where I was thinking I wanted to enter originally.
Oh, really?
On the before that first trade.
Keep getting all these emails popping up from automated strategy. Use this automated strategy. You'll
Oh yeah,
turn $500 into $500,000 in a week.
yeah, $1,000 a day.
I don't know what the hell I got signed up for, but I think every scam artist in the space has now got my frickin' email address. It was probably Randy. He signed me up for some weird shit.
Yeah, he's like, let's mess with Nick.
Yeah, probably. He doesn't have enough stress in his life. Just mess with him a bit.
Might take another short here. Let's see what
On a yes, right?
here. Yes. Let's see how we react off this VWAP here. 27 seconds left on this candle. I might wait for this candle to close actually. What time do we got? 7:24.
Music licensing reimagined.
That was a nice
shorts are
rejection.
your only play on this one.
Yeah. Should have taken the short out the VWAP there.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go back to scalping. No trades longer than 30 seconds. If it goes against me within that time, I'm out.
Yeah, makes sense.
Music
Makes sense.
licensing reimagined.
This past couple of weeks, it makes sense.
Yeah.
There's your short coming into play.
Yeah, should have taken that at the New York VWAP again.
Are you in that right now?
No. I was being patient for that candle to close and then it pulled way down, so I was like,
Reimagined.
looks like I'm gonna have to be more patient.
Feel like that guy in the commercial. I don't always wait for a candle closure, but when I do, I get screwed.
But that bullish fair value gap on the 5-minute is still holding here, this 67, 47, 46 area.
Artlist.io.
You might get your entry on VWAP again.
Hmm. This fair value gap scares me though. If we can invert that, that would definitely tell me, look, long or shorts are really here. As I mean, we had quite the climb yesterday also, right? That's why I said earlier I need to try to not marry the longs, because it, you know, to me, I feel like the liquidity is all above 6,800 there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh. Yawning here.
Cut that out. Stuff is contagious.
Gotta turn the mic and camera off really quick when I'm gonna yawn.
I'm just gonna check and make sure you don't have any cavities.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna put a limit short in on MES at 67.58.75.
Okay. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just one micro. I'm gonna test this theory out.
Artlist.io.
Austin just said something to like, "You want to fuck me?" to Randy, and Randy's like, "I don't want to fuck you, man. Stop saying that kind of shit Monday morning." Those guys, man.
Music
Just crossing the
licensing
line.
reimagined.
Sometimes.
I mean, you know, whatever you're into, I'm not here to judge.
Yeah.
I'll accept Austin for who and what he is. I'm just glad he finally came out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of a weird way to do it, just like going all in on Randy.
Right.
Artlist.io.
I should probably rephrase that, shouldn't I? So my order got picked up at 57 or 67.58.75.
Nice. Yep.
Music licensing reimagined.
I did to 67.57.50. My stop is at 63.25. I might get stopped out here if this gets any higher. We have a bearish fair value gap right at the overnight VWAP here also on that push down from earlier. So, but
Artlist.io.
yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens here.
Yeah, I got
On the
nothing
wrong
for you
side of
today.
VWAP.
Could it be? Could it be? Is it going to
Music
go in my favor?
licensing
Come on,
reimagined.
take that VWAP. Take the VWAP.
Artlist.io.
Dow's pulling back now. We just need NQ to play along.
Or ES? Or anything?
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I hear Zach Arbucci and Randy both talking about if we get a nice closure about the New York VWAP, they're looking for longs. These guys, man,
Really?
fading us, trying to fade us right now.
I just put my take profit at 67.57. And I'm out of this.
I'm pretty close to my TP hit here. I'm gonna try to give it a little bit more room actually.
Artlist.io.
Back into this fair value gap. If we get down close to my TP, I'll just drag my stop there.
Bizarre. If there's one week I hate trading, it must be this week.
Right?
Music licensing.
I think we're gonna push
reimagined.
lower here actually. I'm moving my stop, my TP down. I'm just gonna trail this. I feel like it's just gonna rip right through this fair value gap right now. how heavy that's looking. So my stop is locked in 8 points in profit. So
Oh, that's
worst case
great.
scenario. But I feel like we're gonna keep going here, to be honest. So I got my TP down at about 21 points. There we go. Starting to take that fair value gap. I just liked how heavy that was looking there. It just was looking like, come on guys, get a closure down here.
Keep on thinking.
I'm gonna put my stop in the fair value gap now, so 10.25 points in profit.
You go, Dave.
Come on, boys, let's go.
Give Dave a win here. You deserve it. You had a rough night last night.
Bouncing a bit here. Might take out my stop here, about 1 point away.
Artlist.io.
There we go, I'm out. So ended up only making 51 on that bet, on one micro.
That's great for a 1 micro trade.
Yeah. So down to 129 down in each account
Music
now.
licensing reimagined.
10 seconds here. They're not letting us take this fair value gap though.
Artlist.io.
I want to see it break down below 67.30.
Oh yeah, that would be very nice. You still have that long idea down there?
Reimagined.
For ES?
Yeah.
No.
Or was that a gold? I think you had a. You said you put a couple limit.
Yeah, I've got a gold limit order and pretty far down.
Okay,
So
yeah, that's
69.80, 69.70, somewhere down there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not switching charts right now to look at it though.
Artlist.io.
What is gold doing right now? Gold's pretty 40.75, 4,075 right now. That was a really nice drop on the YM, but it found support at a fair value gap from pre-market.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, CVD's climbing real strong right now. Lots of volume came in on that last little bounce there. Like CVD just went super high, like, and the price didn't go anywhere. Huh?
Yeah,
That's a lot of absorption on that. Is this a long? Like, why would CVD climb so much like that? It went from 220 up to 1,000 without the price going anywhere. Are you seeing that on the book there?
Music licensing reimagined.
Like, we went nowhere. A huge green candle showed up on the bottom of the CVD thing, and CVD climbed up to 1,000, but we didn't go anywhere. So is that sellers absorbing it then? Yeah, it must be sellers are absorbing it. So maybe short is actually gonna happen here. Let's see. You know what I mean? Because like if the buyer stepped in and bought, but the price didn't really go anywhere, that means the sellers are absorbing that. But then here we go. Here's a bullish sort of move now, catching up.
Yeah.
I don't really know how to read the CVD divergence, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
It's cumulative volume delta.
Yeah. So that was a lot of buyers buying on the ask, but it just didn't go anywhere. Like the price didn't go anywhere, but the CVD, like the cumulative volume delta, went up like substantially.
Music licensing reimagined.
Austin's still short.
Artlist.io.
See, hopefully we can invert this fair value gap on this last 1 minute on this 5-minute candle on the downside.
It breaks through the bottom of that. You taking a short?
I'm leaning that direction, yeah. But I want to see it. We need a candle closure. We still got 1 minute on this candle here.
Artlist.io.
And then sort of shooting for close to the bottom of the range, I guess.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's so interesting on that CBD, though. I don't know. We'll have to see what happens here. That'll give us a little more information as to why that happened. Because it could be, like I said, could be the sellers really just absorbed that, right? It's a clear divergence, though. Like, CBD went way up, price stayed nowhere, and then price propped up shortly after, and CBD went down. Yeah, we did get a closure outside of that range, though. So I got a short there. I'm gonna put my stop sort of at the top of the body of the last candle, so I'm risking what is that? 4 points,
Music
basically.
licensing reimagined.
5 points, a little more than 5 points here. See if we can't get a continuation down to 67.34.50. We got orders at 33.75.
Stepping away for a minute. I got to turn my mic off. There's construction going on over here.
All right. I can't hear anything, but yeah, for sure.
You can't hear that?
Nope.
Wow. The noise canceling on this microphone is great then, because
Yeah.
sounds like there's about 14 guys over here with weed whips and chainsaws.
Oh, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, actually, you know what? We're still in this bullish fair value gap. I drew it wrong. Uh-oh, that's not good. Should probably think about cutting this trade just to be safe. Eee. I'm gonna draw my stop in profit here if we could get a couple more ticks lower here. Come on, guys, let's go. Hey.
Artlist.io.
It looks like it wants to go though, down. Huh. These guys are being tricky though.
Music
Can't seem to
licensing
take out
reimagined.
the low of that fair value gap. I mean, the price action looks like it wants to go lower, but it's pretty choppy right here. It could flip on me any second.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh.
Music licensing reimagined.
Dow's ripping lower. NQ's looking pretty bearish. And then ES is printing a green candle. Like, what the heck, guys? I lost 27 on that trade. It just doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense here. NQ's annoying, pinned right in the middle, hey? Yeah. Morning, Dad. Yeah, that sucks. It just can't seem to make any continuation there.
Music licensing reimagined.
YM ripped all the way down to value area low. But man, that sucks. I accidentally drew this fair value gap incorrectly, and then that's what made me think we had a closure below it.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, not very happy price movement today, Hazar. Kind of just stuck here. So many big pins to the downside. YM is starting to climb. ES sitting at the New York VWAP. NQ back up to the point of control. What the heck here, guys? What the heck?
Artlist.io.
Oh, look at that on the ES, guys. These 15-minute candles, none of them are closing below the New York VWAP. That's a pretty telltale sign right now. The bulls are here. If we can get a nice bullish move up here, I mean, I think the longs are back in play, potentially. This new candle here, new 15-minute candle. These are like 10-point wicks.
Artlist.io.
Maybe this is a candle that's not going to make any move higher than the New York VWAP, though. This could be the... We had that really weird divergence on
Music licensing
on the book map.
Yeah, that is weird.
I was just saying that the 15-minute... Oh, your camera's off, but your mic's back on.
Sorry about that.
It's all good. Yeah, we got lots of wicks forming below the New York VWAP on the last 3 15-minute candles here.
Again, this is just where I'm going to be patient. I am
stuck in this area.
We're stuck in a little zone. I don't really...
Artlist.io.
I'm trying to not be in a rush and not FOMO into anything today. Or any day for that matter, but
Music licensing
so for
reimagined.
your top 1 futures accounts, Tradeovate and Ninja Trader will be on board this week, and they'll be continuing to expand platform options so our traders always have reliable professional grade choices. Blah, blah, blah. If you are currently trading on Project X, nothing changes for you.
Okay.
You can continue trading exactly how you have been without interruption.
Artlist.io.
Until further updates, we will continue allowing new purchases on Project X platform. So they may just be halting new
New accounts after February.
accounts on it.
Yeah. And after February, for sure after February,
Music
whatever,
licensing
28th or whatever that
reimagined.
cutoff day is.
28th, yes.
Aldo, morning. Aldo was in the stream yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Oh, I'm at 104 subscribers, so it looks like I got a couple more after I got off yesterday. That's like a celebration point, over 100. Your mic's muted.
Music licensing reimagined.
You should definitely get an applause for that one.
Yeah.
If I had sound effects over here, I would. Good Lord. Tell me you can't hear that now?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
There, I got an applause and a horn there. I mean, 100's a pretty key area in trading terms. I've actually been thinking I should start streaming more at nighttime,
Artlist.io.
just because there's such a lack of streamers that like there's a better chance that you can get more subscribers, right?
Not a bad idea. I should start streaming at night just to so I can hear you over these weed whips.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna go grab my headphones. This shit's getting ridiculous.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Nick probably can't hear anything either with the weed whackers going in the background. So not getting a whole lot of movement today in the price, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Does it mean anything inside the 15-minute orb?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I mean, we're still stuck in that range, right? Like, obviously we popped up, but we're just kind of like just stuck in this area. So I'd be wanting to sort of see if we can get some nice closures, you know, take out this high of, you know, 67.72 sort of, or, you know, a nice breakdown below
Music licensing
67.32.
reimagined.
So currently we're just sort of stuck in here. I mean, if you're looking to take small scalps in the range, you could try doing that, but you know, because we keep pulling into this fair value gap, like 1, 2, 3 15-minute candles in a row, pulling down into this fair value gap and bouncing, right? But you know, at some point where we might end up just plowing through the bottom of this range, right? this 5 minute.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I've kind of screwed up on that last trade because, you know, I didn't have my 5 minute gap set correctly. I thought we had inverted it. And then I was like looking back and I'm like, oh shoot, like we didn't actually invert it yet.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's why
Music licensing reimagined.
that's the reason I took the trade in the first place is I thought we inverted it, but sure enough we didn't. So if I look at the 5 minute, yeah.
That's not healthy.
So I had my fair value gap set to the top of this wick, but that's not the right wick to be set to. It should be to the top of 67.39. So when we got this 10.35 candle closure below this, I was like, okay, well, we closed it there. So then I took the short. We did end up heading a little lower, but then it just bounced up and took me out. Lost $27 on that one. Did you see behind the charts podcast?
No, I haven't seen anything this weekend.
Gotcha. They had Christine's husband on. Forget his name.
Oh, really?
Now. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if I've ever known his name.
Yeah. Just getting the perspective of what it's like to be the partner behind the trader, right? So it was interesting. He's a coach for like landscaping. Like he's a landscaping business coach, sort of like helping people develop their businesses. That's kind of cool. So it kind of ties in. A lot of the aspects of his stuff ties into trading. So he had some decent things to say and talk about. So
coaching, scaling,
yeah, exactly.
Marketing, yeah. I'm gonna have to check that out. I'll do that when everybody else is surfing today.
Surfing? Your family's going surfing?
Yeah.
Nice. They got
getting towards
lessons
the end of the
Okay.
It's getting towards the end of the rainy season here, so.
So does that mean it's going to be more sunny?
More sunny, less rain. Beaches are going to get a little bit more crowded. You know, all the stuff that we don't like.
Interesting.
I got used to the rainy season in Montezuma and Santa Teresa, where I would literally be on a beach.
Yeah.
I would look to the left, I'd look to the right, and I was the only damn person on the beach for as far as I could see.
Artlist.io.
That's pretty cool. So weird thing is, somehow I slept through my alarm again. Like, I don't know what the heck's going on here this morning. That's why I was like a little bit late. Like, I have it set for 5:50 and it's on.
Licensing reimagined.
So I guess I gotta probably just change the sound maybe. I don't know. Like, I didn't turn it off though, so I don't get it.
Move it across the room.
Yeah.
Are you half asleep, rolling over and turning it off?
I must be. I mean, it doesn't make sense because usually it doesn't like stop, right? It won't just stop on its own. It'll like when you get up after, it should still be kind of like at least on your screen, right?
Yeah. You're probably just rolling over and turning it off, not even realizing you're doing it.
Yeah, it must be. Because I have no idea. And then I was laying there and I was like, oh, sleep, like with my eyes closed, and I'm like, man, I feel like this is a long sleep. And I roll over, I'm like, oh, it's 6:30. Like, damn, gotta get up. So the biological clock at least got me up just on time.
I haven't set an alarm And God, it's been years since I've actually set an alarm. For some reason, I wake up at 4:30 every single morning.
It depends on, does that not get affected by what time you go to bed? Lafta said, best feeling in the world, being on the beach. Only one on the beach. Maui Beach. Got naked.
Absolutely.
Gotta be careful. Might get tossed in jail for something like that.
Honestly, around here, I don't even know if anybody would give you a second look.
Oh, yeah. Lots of people get naked out there.
It's weird. People have a different attitude towards everything around here.
Yeah.
Nobody really, like, you see people walking around on the beach. Nobody gives a shit about anything. They're there to have a good time, get in the water, do some surfing or fishing or whatever it is they're into.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
We have like a nude beach in Vancouver. So I don't know how that works. Like, you're not really legally allowed to be naked, but I guess if you're on that beach, it's fine.
Well, it's probably a private beach.
And then they've just given it different rules. Allows the public to give it different rules.
Yep. I know for me, I'm not going to a nude beach because, well, I'm not getting naked on a beach. Nobody wants to see that. All right, just slow me down.
I'd be sitting there, like, if I were to get on a beach and get naked, I'd be like constantly looking around, like, oh, hopefully nobody comes. I don't think it'd be very relaxing for me.
I don't even really care about that. What's the worst thing someone said? Worst thing that could happen. Oh no, somebody's gonna see your business. What I'd be more worried about is the sunburn.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, that would suck.
That's
because
just
most people are pretty pale in that area.
I've been in the sun for the past 6 months. So, I mean, I take my shorts off. I'm glow in the dark from, the waistband down to mid-thigh.
Yeah.
Myself one of them Speedos.
Right?
Budgies. What do the Australians call them? Budgie smugglers?
Oh, there we go. Are we going to take this now?
We're going to take something, I hope.
Music licensing.
But we got so much time left on this candle. This fair value gap's got to get inverted down here. Yeah, I would love to see NQ sweep the open there, Czar. I agree. And ES too. Are you currently short, Czar, on NQ right now?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
A little over 2 minutes on this candle. So looking like we might invert that fair value gap finally. Pushed lower, but we aren't really getting any continuation here.
Not a whole heck of a lot of anything right now.
Artlist.io.
We did sweep the lows, at least. I mean, the lows of all these sort of stacked lows here.
Music licensing reimagined.
This is a bullish formation, though, unfortunately. Not that it's always going to be a bullish move after, but 1 minute left on this candle here. See if the buyers step in and hold this so they don't invert this fair value gap. So I wonder if, because I was looking at the chart yesterday and I felt like the Asia session was accumulation and then London kind of manipulated the highs. So maybe this sell-off down to lows here, like in pre-market, was a distribution, and now we're sort of back in an accumulation range, right? Because we're not going anywhere.
Could be. Let's look at 6730,
Artlist.io.
6700. Those are both pivot points.
Okay.
The volume delta is dropping. It's actually been cut in half within the last half hour. And we have, 6730. We have
129 orders.
Music licensing reimagined.
And that is right on a pivot point. So
you get a sort of good idea to front run that if you're gonna take a short down to there, I would say, right?
I wouldn't have my stop or my take profit below that.
What's your order on gold at? Because we're getting down there. We're 4,057 right now on gold.
Mine is at, hold on 1 second.
Gold's looking pretty
30.
heavy.
Excuse me, 3970 long.
Oh, 3970?
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah, you got quite a ways then.
Yeah, it's down there.
Way down there, yeah.
But this is a position that I'm willing to hold on to for a day, a week, a month, doesn't matter.
Yeah. So we didn't get the closure, hey? See that last candle wicked up into the fair value gap. But now it looks like they're trying to push it lower here anyways. I'm going to try a short here. I'm in there. Targeting those 30s area there. Yeah. Pretty small scalp, but 3 points on 3 contracts here. Stop is break even now. Going to be careful on this one. It decides to bounce on me. We got stopped out, so 750. We were just so close to the 30s. I was like, yeah, I might just bounce here. So
reimagined.
yeah, we didn't quite get to the 30s. Would have hit my TP if I would have just been a little more patient on that stop, but that's okay. Wasn't a whole lot more room in there, so I was kind of like, if there's not a whole lot room, you might as well put your stop in there right away, or else it could just turn around instantly, right?
Artlist.io.
Are they going to take those orders at 30? It looks like they reduced a bunch, and then they just took it. So they took some of those off, the algos removed it. Damn.
All right, I'm in a, as of now, I am in a 2 mini short on gold.
Nice. There we go. ES just swept.
Hey, look at that.
Oh.
Cool, I'm out.
Nice.
That was all right. That was my trade of the day so far.
Yeah, I
Artlist
guess so.
IO.
What did you get? Like 3 points?
Per
4
per account. Let's see. 7 2 yeah, just under 2
Music
points.
licensing
Nice.
reimagined.
That's quite a bit on 2 minis.
I'm pretty happy about that one. That was on 10 accounts, so that was definitely my trade of the day.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
Should have done that on my personal account, but you know, woulda, shoulda, coulda.
Yeah. But at the same time, you know, building up those prop accounts,
Yep,
it's not
trying
bad.
to.
Music licensing reimagined.
So what do we have below? Do we have any more orders below? We do have orders down at 66.98, I guess. On the ES. And gold's bouncing now, so good trade there.
Thankfully, I got out of that one.
Yeah.
I'm not thinking this is going to bounce very high.
Well, we formed a really nice bearish fair value gap on that last bearish candle that took out the low of the AM session there on the gold.
Music licensing reimagined.
I got my limit orders for longs way underneath. I'm actually going to keep doing limit orders on shorts until we get down there, though.
Yeah.
I'm looking at 40.68. It's a good level for another short on gold.
If we get a bounce here.
Yeah, if we get a bounce. And it kind of looks like we're going to.
Yeah, I mean, gold typically likes to retrace before it makes the next move lower, right?
Yep.
But we do have this bearish fair value gap that sort of ends at 64. So if that holds, which, you know, around 62 might be a good area to enter too, just kind of like where those wicks all were also previously.
I'm just going to watch the price action and the volume as well.
Music licensing reimagined.
Zach, I'm in a duck race.
I'm sorry, what? Oh, duck race. Sorry.
I'm in a duck
What are
race.
you doing? The hell, what are you Canadians up to?
We like to race ducks.
That's better than dog fights.
Any thought on a flush on NQ? When did Czar say that? 8:08, 3 minutes ago. Yeah, let's see. Currently, we got equal lows or slightly swept the lows on the ES, and NQ isn't quite there yet. We have value area low below us.
I have not looked at NQ all day.
So getting a bit of a divergence between the two indices, though.
$24, $987.50.
NQ ES is starting to take out the lows again here. NQ is working its way down.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, I think I see my name there, Market Butcher. You can barely see it. It's like I'm about 3/4 of the way to the top of the race. Put it up here real quick. There? Where was I? I went away now, which is good. I want to be in sort of in the back at first if there's a chance to win.
Yeah, the guy up front never stays up there.
Artlist.io.
Yeah. Pintu's leading. Marcolino's
Yeah,
winning.
look at those. Look at that ES movement right now.
Music licensing
Oh, yeah.
reimagined.
Sorry, should be paying attention here. And I was like, I switched over to gold, and here, kind of missing this ES drop.
That's all right. I'm in it for you.
Oh,
I got five micros in at 67.26.
$28 seconds on this candle here. I guess I'll just wait for this closure to see if I can find an entry here.
Artlist.io.
Gotta be careful here though. ES hasn't, or NQ hasn't taken the lows yet. Six seconds on this candle closure here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Pretty strong bearish closure there.
Artlist.io.
Just want this to keep pulling down.
Yeah.
Come on. You can do it.
Music licensing reimagined.
One of these days, I'm going to be in a trade like this. It's going to drop off a cliff, and I'm going to just retire. That's what's going to happen.
Okay, drop my stop one point in profit here. There we go. Nice little move there. Gonna drag my stop down a bit more. 2 points in profit now. Got my TP at 8, so 12. There's orders down at 67.10. Don't bounce. Stop. There we go. Go.
Artlist.io.
Come on, Bears. There we go. Pushing more lows.
Get this up. Oh.
Dropped in 3 in profit. Okay, I'm out of there. $30.
I'm still in this one.
Music licensing
Yeah, I pulled back
reimagined.
to my stop there. Coulda, shoulda held it longer here. NQ finally taking the lows of the opening session there.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, they're looking pretty heavy.
Yeah, this is the part where it starts to get a little exciting.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Got my stop loss and profit.
We do have a fair value gap, 67.07 on the hourly chart, which could be sort of the target down below.
Well, I just got taken out.
Artlist.io.
Okay. Nice trade, though. We inverted that fair value gap on gold. that I was talking about earlier. Or we haven't inverted it yet. Actually, we need this candle to close, but it's close to inverting it. Minute and 30
Music
seconds
licensing reimagined.
and 4,065 if we get a closure above there. So we have the initial balance is set on NQ down at 24,955. We swept it, but we didn't get a closure below it. So if this ends up turning around, we might be heading back towards the highs.
Take a look at NQ.
So we got 40 people watching right now, 29 in X, and 4 in Randy's YouTube and 6 in my YouTube. Yeah, good patience trading. Yeah, gotta be patient.
Yeah, I'm not. I don't have much faith in a bounce back to highs on NQ today.
No. Well, I just mean, obviously, we'd have to see a nice hold and rejection of this Ivy low here if that were to happen, right? But
I mean, we're right at it, though.
yeah.
There's still a lot of orders on the book map below us. The volume delta is down at negative 350. Now it's at 400, 420. 500, yeah, it's just dropping.
Licensing reimagined.
And we're below the initial balance low.
Yeah. But we still need a closure. Because I don't really
Oh, I'm not saying I'm throwing on a 5 mini short or anything.
Yeah,
I'm just saying I don't have much faith that it's going to go back to high a day.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, we've been pretty bearish, so
yeah, if it closes below this initial balance low, I'm not. It's going to be again being patient, and that's it. I'm not here to lose money today.
Especially after that nice mini trade on gold there.
Yeah. Could this
I'm
be
in a
jump?
yeah. I'm in a duck race for Aqua Futures.
What the hell is that?
I don't know. It's another prop firm, I guess.
Yeah, for a while there, I was thinking I was trading all of the prop firms, but apparently not. There's been about 50 of them that have come out within the past month.
Yeah. Well, I mean, Aqua Futures must be pretty decent because if they're on prop firm match, they kind of like, it's not that easy to get on there. Lucid isn't even on there. So
really?
Yeah.
And that's the channel that Arbucci is doing stuff on, right?
Yeah. And they're kind of like a prop firm ranking website.
Oh, okay. And honestly, I trust Arbucci's opinion on stuff like that. He's definitely a reliable source.
Yeah. He's nicely involved in that area. He's been, yeah.
I mean, he was doing work for Top One, Tradeify, like a bunch of different ones.
Yeah.
So it's not like he doesn't know what he's talking about.
Music licensing reimagined.
He's like, I want to take a long here on the NQ.
Oh, okay.
He didn't, but he just blurted that out. He's doing the duck races right now, so
that
So
Zach?
I was playing pull tabs at the football game in the bar last night. I put $30 in and I won 88.
Artlist.io.
So pretty nice.
So what the hell is pull tabs?
It's just like it's like a little thing that you have, and there's 5 little tabs that you open, and then inside is kind of like sort of like a scratch and win, but you just pull the tabs open.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh, gold bouncing up there.
Yep, I think I had my my long limit set way too low.
Oh yeah.
But we shall see.
What the heck?
don't
Ansh
know, what the
Kumar won 2 duck races in a row.
Who?
This guy, his name's Ansh Kumar. So they ran the second duck race, and then he ended up winning again. They're like, this guy's hacking, man. Like, how does he win twice?
Hey, save some for the rest of us. Yeah,
Yeah, so he removed his name, and then he's running it again.
I gotta start doing these duck races just to, I mean, for no other reason than to test out new prop firms.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
I would test it out if it's a free one. But yeah. Why not?
I'm not gonna just start buying prop firm accounts all willy-nilly, not knowing anything about them. But I'm also the idiot that reads my contracts on them too. So
yeah,
there's that.
So you would know what's going on.
Artlist.io.
What do we got here? 825. Formed a pretty big wick on this last on this current 15-minute candle here. You're out of the NQ short, calling in an early day. See you tomorrow. All right, Czar. Have a good one. Nice short there.
I think Czar's got the right idea for today.
Reimagined.
Yeah. I just don't want to be down $125 in all 6 accounts here.
I mean, it's $125.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
You could keep fooling around with it and be down 450 soon.
Yeah, that's true. I did chip it back down, so it's better than it was. Remember, I think it was down like 200 there.
And don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to sound like Debbie Downer over here. I'm just saying, manage your risk.
Yeah, for sure.
Music licensing reimagined.
The only thing that I'm liking right now about the potential long is that we have a bit of a divergence between NQ and ES, right? So NQ sort of held the low, and then ES swept the low pretty nicely, and now we're kind of bouncing, right?
Artlist.io.
So what does that mean for ES and NQ with that divergence?
Well, as per Zach's course, typically when there's a divergence like that, it's signaling a reversal. So, and because we're sort of in the discounted area, which we're pretty low on price, like we're down at value area low and their point of controls above, that, it's because we're in discount, typically it's going to go the opposite direction, which would be bullish at this point, right? So
you're looking at a bullish call on ES?
I think NQ is actually the better one, but now we're a little bit late. We didn't, like I said, we didn't really get a closure below the initial balance, and we're finding support. And then we had the divergence, like ES closed nicely below the initial balance. And then now we're popping up. I mean, we popped up
Music
from
licensing
68 to
reimagined.
968 to up to 2543, right? So 80-point bounce there. ES is starting to look a little stronger here too.
Yeah, ES, it may break above that 67.46 here within the next 15.
Yeah. And if we take, especially if we take that New York, like,
That's only at 67.55, right?
yeah. Oh, I got mine at 67.50, but
Oh, I'm sorry, mine's on the overnight.
okay, yeah.
Let me move over to my trading view chart.
Yeah, 55 is the overnight.
Music licensing reimagined.
On NQ, we have that channel from today's and the overnight sitting. Bottom of the channel is at 25,101. Upper part of that channel is at 25,129.
129. Yeah, yeah.
But we've been making lower highs, lower lows consistently since
That's why it's hard to take this long, especially now, right? Because this could just be close to the next lower high, right?
Yeah, and we're under VWAP. We've been in a trend going down. So again, I'm not going to get pulled into a long here under VWAP when it's been in a downtrend all day. Yeah, it's 11:30 in New York right now, so this is the time for a turnaround. But I'll wait until it gets above that upper channel.
Yeah, makes sense.
Oh, did you ever download that indicator?
From Traders Post?
Yeah.
I haven't, no. I still gotta work on getting that Traders Post going. I just kind of got a lot on my plate lately with so the pickleball center I've been working on, I kind of got a little bit of bad news on it. The building is actually, it's a 1940s building. And,
so it's a historical building and you can't change anything?
No, that's not the problem. But they have a demolition clause
Music licensing
in the lease. So it puts any investment on the property at pretty high risk, right? Because they could just sell the property in the next 6 months, and then you have 6 months to a year before you're out. So if and by the business plan that I have, it's roughly 3 years to make the initial investment back.
All right.
So the only way it's going to work out is if I can get them to agree to like give us a no sales clause for like say 4 years. Then the demolition clause is fine with me because at least it gives us a good chance to make our money back. So it's the good thing is that it gives us a little bit better negotiation power because of the demolition clause. So you can usually get a little bit better price on the lease, right?
So I have a thought. Why don't you haul your butt down here and do a pickleball center down in like Santa Teresa, Uvita, Dominicalito, somewhere around there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But you guys are pretty sunny, right? And stuff. So a lot of people want to play pickleball for free outdoors, where the places are really nice.
So here's the good thing about that.
Yeah.
Down here they have something called a rainy season.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How long's the rain season for?
It goes from end of September to mid-October, all the way through now.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So a few months anyways.
And it depends on where you are. If you're in Uvita, hold on, let me actually look this up for you.
Artlist.io.
Wow. ES is looking pretty strong here right now. NQ's looking pretty strong. They're both at the New York VWAP.
Music
Yeah, I shoulda
licensing reimagined.
really was considering taking that long down at the IB. Kind of wasn't paying that close enough attention at the time. And gold is higher.
So you've got high precipitation from May, June, July, August, September, October, and November. December is when it starts to come down. 411.5 average millimeters for the month. And then January, February, March, and April are the dry season.
Nice.
So, I mean, there's that.
Yeah.
Music
The
licensing
average number of
reimagined.
days per month with precipitation, May, it's like 17.
Well,
June, it's 23.
mhm.
July is 23. August is 22 and a half.
So quite
22
rainy.
for September. October is 21.9.
Wow. Yeah.
November is 17. December is 15.
Interesting.
Now, that's not saying it's going to rain all day,
Yeah.
but keep your, well, the other thing too is people playing outdoors in the sun here.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Have you been down here? There's no way in hell I am running around on a pickleball court no, absolutely not. I would
During the
pass out
heat?
after a half an hour.
Reimagined.
Yeah.
Doesn't get below 20 degrees here ever.
Huh. Sitting on that New York view up here, rejected off it, sort of back in that well, I guess
Artlist.io.
that's kind of not valid anymore. It is an inverted fair value gap though, so I could just leave it on there for now. On the ES, we're currently in that inverted fair value gap from the morning's 5-minute one.
Music licensing
We
reimagined.
Had that push down, close down below, and then now we're back in it. So if we reject this New York and start heading below this inverted fair value gap, could definitely take a short, sort of targeting the 30s again, roughly. Marty Gambill, gold going short. Yeah, again, a bit of a rejection there. Sort of back in that choppy area though, so I would be a little careful here. You're kind of in between the New York VWAP and the overnight VWAP, so you might end up finding that you're not going to get a whole lot of moves here right now. I would definitely wait for a closure down below 4,068 before I'd be taking a short.
Music
Personally,
licensing
not financial
reimagined.
advice. But that's just my take on this currently. All right. Well, ES is looking like we're
Artlist.io.
might be inverting that. We got 2 minutes on this fair value gap here. If we can invert that,
But again,
invert.
look at that 5-minute chart.
Music licensing
Still
reimagined.
lower highs, lower lows.
Yeah.
So
sort of like still from, especially if you look at it from, 3 a.m. kind of time when we started that sell-off.
Yeah.
We made that low and then we made a higher low, or sorry, a lower high.
From 3:40 a.m. No. I don't think I'm interested in taking a long right here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of have a channel here too. Currently sort of in a channel. I drew a trend line from the start of the sell-off, right, from way earlier, and then we sort of have a matching trend line off of sort of those high wicks from earlier, from like 10:30 a.m. and 9:45 a.m. So we could definitely reject here if this is going to sort of make its turn back lower here.
Music licensing.
So gold just went through the VWAP channel, went through New York, hit the overnight, bounced off it, and came back down to New York.
Yeah.
There was a crossover of the New York and the overnight at 10:05 a.m., which is where I took my first short.
Uh-huh.
And that worked out well. So if we can get another crossover here.
My for some reason my overnight VWAP is at 4,078 and my New York's at 4,070. I'm on the 5-minute chart.
What time do you have yours set at?
My overnight VWAP is, at the start of the 6 p.m. candle from Sunday.
Mine is at midnight.
Okay,
I have
guys.
mine's at midnight. So
2100, or for me 2100, anyways. I'll pop one on there midnight for curiosity's sake, and I'll put that one green.
And again, like I said before, don't listen to me. I'm a freaking idiot. So
no, it's curious to see. Oh yeah, I see that crossover there. That short worked, definitely.
I've been noticing that though. Actually, Tom pointed that out to me after he made this this indicator for me. Well, he didn't really do it for me, but after he made this indicator, he was pointing out the crossovers of the midnight and the start of day VWAP, and how when those crossovers happen, there's usually a pretty big move. And it has not been wrong.
Well, it's kind of like Zach Arbucci's idea, where he just puts a line at the midnight open price. So it's interesting that VWAP runs on the midnight price. Definitely interesting. That's why I'm doing here. YM's leading the pack here, bullish a little bit. It's above the overnight VWAP, above previous day VWAP, above New York VWAP, and there's no.
And even ES is getting little bounces here. Nine's about to cross over the 21. They're both above low day VWAP.
Yeah, I missed that nice move at the 11:25 candle. Damn.
The 67.15 price.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 67.15 was the low.
But yeah.
Yeah,
was a real nice
67.15 was the low of the day. There's no way I would have got in there in either direction.
Yeah. Not,
If I
not
could
an easy
call-
one.
If I could call a bottom like that, I would be a
Music
very
licensing
rich man.
reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So gold did just take the New York on the downside.
Artlist.io.
But we do have a bullish fair value gap there on that from that last 5-minute candle there.
Music licensing reimagined.
ES is just playing with that 67.56 price here.
Artlist.io.
What's ES doing here?
Being indecisive.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
I am tempted to take a small ES long right now. You know what?
Artlist.io.
All right. I'm doing 3 mini, or not minis, micros.
I was like, that's a small one.
Yeah, no. New.
You took that short there on the gold, Marty. Nice. Yeah, definitely pushed down a bit. Anyways,
Music licensing reimagined.
so a nice scalp if you got a little profit in there.
And I just added 6 micros to this.
Wow, nice.
Oh. Wrong
Stopped it.
move.
Artlist.io.
Just got taken out. I made a whole $24 on that trade.
Oh, yeah. I know sometimes when those ads and then you bring your stop
Yeah.
up and then then it puts you a little too tight, right? But yeah, I mean, nice attempt there. At least you kept it green,
Yeah, it's still
Music
green, but
licensing reimagined.
not what you're thinking you're gonna get out of it, right?
now.
Now gold's looking like it wants to go lower. To me, we're lower. We're below that fair value gap here. Let's see if we get this closure on this candle though. When's Zach's next? I think he's on Tuesday, right? For his kill zone? Yeah.
I looked it up last week. I think it was Tuesday.
Yeah,
I think he's on Tuesday. He's on Tuesday and Thursday, I think.
Nice.
So,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah.
yeah, you weren't joking about that looking bearish on gold right now.
Yeah. Yeah, when Marty called it out, I was a little unsure because like I said, we're above the New York and just kind of like in that range. But now that we're pushing a little lower, if we can get a closure below 40.68, they'll invert this bullish fair value gap, which would give us definitely a little more confluence saying we're gonna get lower here. And we have a small bullish fair value gap way down there. So this could be sort of the target 40.60.
Music licensing reimagined.
$15 seconds on this candle here. I'm so addicted to pickleball. I really like playing it. It's so fun. There we go. We did get that closure here on the gold.
It's like tennis with a paddle, right?
Yeah, basically. It's like a cross between tennis, badminton, and ping pong. The size of the court is the same, basically size as a badminton court. The net's lower, obviously. And then you hit spins and stuff, sort of like a ping pong ball.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, all right.
Uh-oh. I took a short here on gold, and it's popping up pretty heavy on me.
I just put a 9 micro long on MES.
Yeah.
And yeah. So my price is 67.59.50. So I'm up a little bit, but pulled my stop loss up into profit now. Just gonna put my take profit up at 67.95.
This guy might stop me out here on gold if it continues much higher here. Risking 2.7 points on this gold short. Tried to enter in this inverted fair value gap, and it kind of like pushed right up into it, so right up to the top of it.
Music licensing reimagined.
So as long as we don't continue any higher off the top of that wick there, it should be okay on this gold short. So we'll see. I'm going to be a little aggressive here on the stop, though. If we can end up getting towards the bottom of this fair value gap that got inverted, I'm going to drag my stop down there. Try to lock in a base hit.
Artlist.io.
I got $60 locked in on my MES long.
Nice. Yeah, it's
9
going up.
it's got 9 micros on it, and I just put a take profit way the hell up. So basically just gonna let this play out for a little while.
Mm-hmm.
If I can get 67.70, if it gets up to 67.74, I'll probably be out right there.
Mm-hmm.
Artlist.io.
Gold short's looking okay currently. Really need to take out the low of that previous candle, though, if we're gonna see a move. I think I'm just gonna put my stop here a little bit, a couple points into the. Ooh, might be getting taken out. Yeah, I got taken out there, unfortunately. $3. Gold's going to 40.62. Yeah, it
Looks
could
like you and
definitely.
I
What's that?
Looks like you and I are taking the same bullshit trades here.
Yeah, did it pull back? And
$4, $2, $24. But you know, I mean, at least they're all green, right?
Marty's in the short there on the gold. I'm liking it. I just pulled my stop into slightly in profit and it just took me out. So we'll see here how this candle closes. Think about getting a re-entry.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Are you still in that long? Or is that the one that you said just got stopped out also?
Who, me?
Yeah.
It's fun. You said that, and it got stopped out.
Oh. Oh yeah, we did start printing the bearish candle there. Oh, there we go. Gold starting to take out the lows here.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm not hating short-term gold shorts. Low time frame.
Yeah, I might have entered a little too low there. Looks like it's bouncing against me here. Buyers sort of stepped in there, holding it up here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it's probably going to stop me out, actually. It might be a $50 loser.
Nah, it's gonna come back down now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm out. $70 loser. Damn it! Now I'm back down
Oh.
to $200 on the day. Hey, Mr. Nick, what am I doing here?
Oh, I think it might be time to call it a day.
Shouldn't be trading gold.
Well, it's also that time of day. Volume starting to decrease.
Artlist.io.
And you're still green for the day, right?
Oh no, I'm down. I've never was green today.
Oh, well,
I was down 200 and then I was down
Artlist.io.
I gained some back there. I got only down 120 and then now I'm back to 192. So down in 6 accounts.
so you think it might be about that time
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I think so.
rather than going on tilt and getting silly?
Yeah. Yeah, looking that way. This Monday isn't just not the day, I guess.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I think I'm done for the day.
Okay. Yeah, we can wrap it up here.
Yeah, there's no reason to stay in this anymore. You're a little
We'll
bit
just-
red. You don't want to be many more red. I'm only
Yeah.
a little bit, and I don't
Music
really.
licensing
I'm not
reimagined.
seeing anything exceptional here. So
Yeah.
we can always come back tomorrow and do something a lot better than this.
For sure. Yeah, a little bit easier price movement day.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just
All
gonna
right.
say what's up to the chats here. We got 26 in Randy's X, we got 4 in my X, we got 2 in your X, we got 3 in Randy's YouTube and 4 in my YouTube. So appreciate everybody hanging out. Good to see you guys today, and we'll be back tomorrow morning live 6:15 to 6:30 a.m. or 9:15 to 9:30. So yeah, thanks so much, and good to see you, Nick.
Music
See you again tomorrow.
licensing reimagined.
Yes, you will, bright and early.
All right.
Do you need that wake up call?
I'm gonna change my alarm sound. So
Move it
maybe
across the room so you have to get up to turn it off.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Don't do it in my sleep.
Yeah.
Sweet.
You with
Okay.
you with your Canadian sleepwalking,
Yeah.
putting on your snowshoes.
Yeah, no doubt.
Artlist.io.
All right, I'll see you later, man. Have a good night.
Yeah, you too. See everybody. Peace.